Hi there, welcome to our art tip videos. And what we're going to look today is we're going to jump in and see what our students come out with and say is a huge problem for them when they are busy painting and they mix too much water. What do they do? So I'm going to give you a tip today that can actually help, that we use with the students. What a lot of students say to me is that when they're mixing paint and they use too much water, they naturally take a tissue and then they go and dab away the excess water. But I'm going to show you a different technique, because what that can do is by dabbing the tissue, it actually creates more spreading of the paint, and you might not like the areas where that paint has gone into. So I'm going to actually show you what we do. So let's just say I have now painted something and I've added way too much water over here. I'm just going to add it there. And you can see I've overloaded that and it's just way too much water. What do I do? So you can see even lifting off the page, way too much water. What you're going to do now is you take your brush, you clean it, and you actually let the brush absorb the water with the kitchen towel. And then you just take the brush and you let the brush actually absorb the water, and you transfer it to the kitchen towel. Or you can take that and then you can use that and transfer it and use it in the rest of the picture. So that way I'm in a bit more control of where the paint is going, if I need to lighten it, and I can spread it and move it around and actually make it work for me. So you can see there where it was, I had a blob of water, I've actually softened that and I've still kept that in place.